Good morning. Welcome to Barristan Edmunds Library. Tot Rock. Yee! Hope everybody's well and healthy. Fabulous. And of course, you've all got your musical instruments. Brilliant. Okay. So, shall we get started with our... I keep trying to eat my hair. Tot Rock song. Are you ready? Tot Rock, put on your rock socks. We're feeling fine. Tot Rock, put on your rock socks. Say hello to everyone. We're glad you're here. We're glad you come. So here we go. Let's say hello. Hello! Hello everybody and welcome. Okay, two little dicky birds. And we're going to do a long version of this. Right. So, alright, two little dicky birds. Two little dicky birds sitting on the wall, one named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Two little goldfish swimming in a tank, one named Freddie, one named Frank. Swim away, Freddie, swim away, Frank. Come back, Freddie, come back, Frank. Two little caterpillars crawling on a branch, one named Betty, one named Blanche. Crawl away, Betty, crawl away, Blanche. Come back, Betty, come back, Blanche. Oh, I have to turn the page over. Two little tadpoles swimming in a lake, one named Jessie, one named Jake. Swim away, Jessie, swim away, Jake. Come back, Jessie, come back, Jake. Two little butterflies flying through the air, one named Billy, one named Blair. Fly away, Billy, fly away, Blair. Come back, Billy, come back, Blair. Hey, brilliant. Just ain't got quite enough hands for the butterflies. Right. Lie down, everybody, and we'll do our sleeping bunnies, all right? Ready? Are you all lying down? Are you all sleeping? See the little bunnies sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we try and wake them with a merry tune? Oh, so still are they ill? Wake up now, hop little bunnies, hop hop hop, hop little bunnies, hop hop hop, hop little bunnies, hop hop hop, hop 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 and stop. And again. Ready? Lie down, everybody. That's it. See the little bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we try and wake them with a merry tune? Oh, so still are they ill? Wake up now, hop little bunnies, hop hop hop, hop little bunnies, hop hop hop, hop little bunnies, hop hop hop, hop 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 and stop. One last time, everybody lie down. That's it. See the little bunnies sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we try and wake them with a merry tune? Oh, so still. Are they ill? Wake up now. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop and stop. Well done, everybody. All right, then. Take care, everybody. And I shall see you very soon. All right, then. Bye.